Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate a general ledger. First, understand that the general ledger is the central hub for all your financial data. It organizes every transaction by account, showing a clear picture of your company's financial health. Think of it as the master record where all your accounting information converges. Next, you'll post journal entries. For every transaction, identify the specific accounts involved and determine whether each account is debited or credited. Then, carefully transfer these entries from your journals into the respective general ledger accounts. Always remember, for every debit, there must be an equal credit, ensuring your books remain perfectly balanced. Now, it's time to calculate each account's balance. For every individual general ledger account, you will first add up all the debit entries. Next, you will sum all the credit entries for that same account. The difference between these two totals then gives you the account's ending balance. This balance clearly indicates the net effect of all transactions on that specific account. Finally, you'll prepare a trial balance. This involves listing every general ledger account along with its calculated ending balance. You'll separate debit balances from credit balances. Then, sum up all the debit balances and all the credit balances. These two totals must be equal, confirming the mathematical accuracy of your ledger before moving to financial statements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.